Hello children, in this lesson you will learn the second form of present tense, that is present continuous tense. First, let us understand what are tenses. Tenses are verbs used to express an action and the time that the action was performed or happens, that is the time that the verb was executed. Broadly, they are divided into three parts, that is past tense, present tense and future tense. In my previous video, I have covered simple present tense, and in the present video, I will cover present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used for actions which are taking place at the time of speaking. The action is not complete. It includes action happening now or at the time of speaking, temporary activities or changes taking place now. For example, what are you doing? You are reading, right? And you are still doing it, and you will still continue to read until you feel like to stop or by an external force. What you are doing is present and the action is still continuing, so hence it is called present continuous tense. We make the present continuous tense with the subject plus am is are plus a verb in the continuous form or base form of verb plus ing. We say I am, he, she, it is, you, we, they are. For example, the water is boiling. Can you turn it off? This sentence shows the first use of the present continuous to talk about actions happening right now. That is at the time of speaking. Here are some more examples. Like I am going to school. We are having breakfast. It is raining outside. So these sentences also express what is happening now. So this is the first use of the present continuous. The second use is to talk about temporary activities. Like Arun is learning to play the guitar. It means Arun is taking guitar lessons maybe twice a week. So he is in the process of learning to play the instrument. There are some more examples. My sister is staying with us for a couple of weeks. I am watching a really interesting TV series at the moment. The third use of the present continuous is to describe changes that are taking place now. For example, English lessons on YouTube are becoming very popular. It means that the popularity of English lessons on YouTube is increasing. Here are some more examples. The price of crude oil is falling rapidly. Scientists say that the earth is getting warmer. So remember that the present continuous tense is used to talk about actions happening now, temporary activities, and changes that are taking place. Okay, let's look at the time expressions that we use in present continuous tense. Now, right now, at the moment, today, nowadays, this week. For example, they are throwing snowballs now. So let's do one small recap. In this lesson, we learned three uses of present continuous tense, and we can use this tense when the actions happening now or at the time of speaking, or when the actions are temporary activities or changes taking place now. Alright, if you are ready, it's now time for a test. Let me see if you can use the present continuous tense correctly. On the screen there are some sentences. Some of them are correct and some are wrong. Check if the sentence is right or wrong, and if a sentence is wrong, change it to the correct form. The three uses of present continuous tenses are on your screen, so you can look at them and decide your answers. And pause the video now. Alright, let us look the answers. The first correct answer is I am studying hard for the exams. It's a temporary activity. B. Is he living with his parents still? It is also a temporary activity. Where are you going? This sentence is already correct. No changes here. D. They are saving for an expensive holiday. It is a temporary activity. E. Is she reading my new book? Action happening now. Let's see the comparison between present continuous and simple present tense. Present continuous tense, we use the continuous for things happening at or around the time of speaking. The action is not complete. But simple present tense, we use the simple for things in general or things that happen repeatedly. For example, in continuous tense, I am doing, the water is boiling. In simple present tense, it is I do, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So look at the third column in present continuous tense. We use the continuous form for temporary situations. And simple present tense, we use the simple form for permanent situations. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I will see you in next lesson. Thank you.